we're good. As long as they keep their tension tight, everything's dropping over this way. We were, yeah, perfect, they're down.
How's that working?
It ought to work okay a couple more times.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna have to go to lowering it to the deck.
Yep.
Smaller pieces lower to the deck, come over.
Should be able to take down to pretty much my feet. Next.
Better than shit.
That it is. I mean, when you can snap 3-inch branches by hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was worried about that one. You way up there, that fucking tree took a walk on you. Yeah. Oh, hope it don't snap now.
One thing about ash, whenever they die, up to like 2 years, 3 years after they die, the sugars in the thicker parts have cured to where they're solid. Like they cut way slower than a green tree, that's for sure.
Well, free.
Right. This is the awkward spot, stepping down into a curve.
Uh-huh.
You guys playing grab ass here?
Like, makes me think of the movie Night at a Roxbury. Did you just grab my ass? Dewey, I know you grabbed my ass.
I got a nice ass.
Sir, that is a physical impossibility. I am on the other side of the rim than you. I know your tricks, Dewey.
He said, it's okay if you did. I got a nice ass. He said, sir, I'm thousands of miles away from you. He said, I just wondered if you did.
I don't remember that part.
What?
Not at Roxbury.
I remember breaking his head on the window though. Breaking the window.
Yeah.
I used to like Dan Aykroyd and Steve Martin doing the disco guys. Trying to get American girls.
Go ahead and pull tight on your rope so I can cut my notch.
last one we can do. Ah! Yeah, that's the last one we can do.
Like that.
Yeah. No, we gotta go get some beer. That's the last one we can do.
Beer 30.
Oh, wow. Thank you. I think I got chronic old people syndrome.
John, stop getting old.
Hey, knock that off.
Yeah, well, you know what we're talking about. Beats the shit out of dying young.
Uh-huh. I guess we're down to the deck now, huh?
Well, Fred Thorne would tell you that, but he died.
That's gonna be rough. You got no anchor.
What we can do?
Too small one.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be small ones, but I was almost thinking we get the other rope and the other clevis out and make false crotch down below.